Hey there, family explorers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, your premier pre-owned RV dealer in the Southeast. We're pumped to unveil a 2016 Thor Tuscany XTE 40BX with only 36,000 miles, priced at an incredible $119,900. This 41-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner chassis, boasts the sought-after 40BX bunkhouse floor plan with 3 huge slide-outs, sleeping up to 6 in style. Coated in Thor's stunning Valencia graphics scheme with autumn-colored striping, this RV glows with charm, powered by a reliable Cummins diesel engine. Buckle up for an exciting tour to discover every family-friendly feature of this amazing deal. Let's kick things off outside, where the 2016 Thor Tuscany XTE 40BX steals the show. The Valencia full-body paint package with its vibrant fall-colored striping ensures this coach turns heads at every campsite. Stretching 41 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Freightliner raised rail chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride for all your travels. Powered by a Cummins ISB-XT 6.7-liter diesel engine, it produces 360 horsepower and 800 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with touchpad controls for seamless performance. Updated mid-2022 Toyo tires keep you road-ready with confidence, and the durable construction ensures reliability in any weather. Power entry door and patio awnings with integrated LED lighting, plus slide-out topper awnings, create a stylish, shaded retreat. Ultra-level hydraulic automatic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an enormous 10-inch in-dash monitoring system make navigation a breeze. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow with ease. Powering your journeys is effortless with this RV's advanced systems. The Cummins Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator with auto gen start, easily accessible, delivers reliable power for off-grid camping. A 50-amp shoreline power cord paired with a Magnum 2,000-watt inverter, 100-amp converter, and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. Full tile flooring from the entry to the rear closet, paired with a Dirt Devil central vacuum system with a toe kick dustpan, adds luxury and convenience to your travels. Step inside through the electric double entry step, and the 40BX floor plan welcomes you with a spacious, family-oriented interior. 3 huge slide-outs create an open layout that sleeps up to 6, perfect for families or groups hitting the road. The layout features a king-size bed in the master bedroom, a mid-bunkhouse section with dual bunk beds, and a pull-out sleeper sofa in the front living room. The front living area is a cozy hub, with a large sofa that converts into a bed, a booth dinette, and a 40-inch Sony LED TV, ideal for family gatherings or movie nights. The full tile flooring and high-quality cabinetry create a stylish, durable ambiance. The full kitchen is a chef's delight, designed for effortless meal prep. It features a stainless steel Whirlpool 2-door refrigerator and freezer with an indoor ice dispenser, a gas stovetop, a Whirlpool stainless steel convection oven, a residential sink with a high-rise faucet, and solid surface counters with plenty of storage. The booth dinette, adjacent to the kitchen, offers a comfortable dining space. The large private bathroom boasts a full-size shower enclosure with a skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, and power vent fan, providing a spa-like retreat. The mid-bunkhouse section, with dual bunk beds featuring built-in lighting and 12-inch LED TVs with individual DVD players, keeps kids or guests entertained. The rear master suite is a cozy sanctuary, crafted for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch Sony LED TV, wardrobe closets, and drawer storage, ensures comfort and organization. A stackable full-size Whirlpool washer and dryer in a vented closet adds convenience for extended trips or full-time living. The combination of the king bed, bunkhouse, and sleeper sofa offers flexible sleeping for up to 6, ideal for family adventures. The 40BX floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and a bunkhouse, offers a spacious interior that sleeps 6 with ease. At just $119,900, this 2016 Thor Tuscany XTE 40BX, with only 36,000 miles, is an incredible value for a bunkhouse diesel pusher. Imagine hitting the road in this 2016 Thor Tuscany XTE 40BX, exploring national parks, lakeside campsites, or mountain retreats with your family. Picture the kids enjoying their bunkhouse TVs, cooking meals in the spacious kitchen, or relaxing in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends family-friendly comfort with the thrill of travel, and its Valencia exterior ensures you arrive in style. With its low mileage and versatile layout, every trip will create cherished memories. Let's explore why this Tuscany XTE is a top pick. Thor's thoughtful design shines in the bunkhouse layout, durable tile flooring, and practical features like the central vacuum and LED-lit awnings. Safety features like the 10-inch in-dash camera system and air brakes provide peace of mind, while the cockpit's intuitive design makes driving a joy. From the bunkhouse entertainment to the spacious bathroom, this RV is built for family fun and comfort. Ready to make this beauty yours? Priced at just $119,900, this 2016 Thor Tuscany XTE 40BX is a rare find for a feature-packed bunkhouse diesel pusher. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is ready to get you rolling in this awesome coach. Thanks for joining us for this thrilling walk around of the 2016 Thor Tuscany XTE 40BX. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its bunkhouse, 3 slide-outs, and unbeatable price, this RV is a must-have. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2016 Tuscany XTE 40BX. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're excited to see you hit the road in style.